A 1.9% slide in Aave is anticipated tomorrow, CoinDataFlow notes. To start, here's how the movement looks at this stage. Aave has posted a 3.9% increase today and is now near the $95.80 level. Moving on to what analysts are projecting. Tomorrow's estimate from Coin Price Forecast is $95.98, which means a price gain of around 0.1%. CoinLore projects Aave to move downward toward $95.06, a projected loss close to 0.9%. Crypto Predictions highlights it could edge downward to $94.72, marking a drop close to 1.2%. A different forecast from CoinDataFlow highlights the possibility of Aave dipping to $94.05, marking a decline of 1.9%. And to end, 30 Rates projects $90.52 by May 9th, a projected drop of 5.6%. This is the most profitable forecast in the entire lineup. That's all 5 perspectives. Let's go ahead. After reviewing the predictions, let's examine the numbers. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a decline of 5.6% and a rise of 0.1%, depending on the analyst. This means 30 Rates stands at the top with 5.6% climb in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could generate between $1 and $56 for every $1,000 you invest. From the probability standpoint, Coin Price Forecast has the highest chance of success at 93.1%. By bringing all the forecasts together, I've created a single consensus overview. Based on the consensus view, Aave may drift toward $94.07, reflecting a 1.9% loss. Alright, let's unpack this. The consensus view suggests a 1.9% dip by tomorrow. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 1.9% if the trend follows through. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $19 in this case. So by probability measures, the consensus view for Aave is given a chance of around 84.6%. At this point, here's what analysts anticipate for the coming 3 days. A neutral stance is reflected in Coin Price Forecast outlook. Likewise, CoinLore indicates the chart will remain balanced. The forecast from Crypto Predictions points to a push higher for Aave. CoinDataFlow anticipates Aave heading south. A bearish stance is likewise reflected in 30 Rates' forecast. The consensus stance presents Aave trading quietly within a limited band over the next 3 days. The combined picture shows that most expect Aave to move into lower levels. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Yesterday revealed how they performed. As a result, the actual move took the price to $92.43. Most of the analysts' forecasts captured the correct move. The most correct forecast in numbers was from Digital Coin Price. Now let's open up the details. 3 forecasts landed within the candle. For ROI performance, every analyst was profitable, with the maximum return of 2.2%. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. Across the results, CoinCodex recorded $1.3 accuracy, 79.1% forecast probability, and 1.8% ROI. Look through the results and figure out who did the best job. Now let's take a moment to look at tomorrow's return expectations for Aave alongside a few other coins. In tomorrow's forecast ranking, Aave stands at second place, and Solana tops the list with 3.1%. Currently, Aave is matched with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability view is already included on my website. If you like seeing what's moving before the rest of the market, hit subscribe. Bye, everyone.